Hello guys, welcome back once again. In this video we will have a look at the Visual Studio Enterprise 2019 preview. For if you watched it from the previous video, we actually downloaded it and installed it, so now we can actually have a look at it. So if you are at the installer, what you do is you go to the launch, you click on the launch, and you'll be prompted to sign in. So you can sign in with your Microsoft account, or you could create one. Just like for now, you can say maybe later. So we go for the latter. So we choose obviously this is not relevant. You choose what theme that you want. Obviously, there are like 4 options that you could choose from. So we fire up the Visual Studio. So we just wait. It might take a little while, so I'm just gonna pause it while it starts up. So you might not see the whole process. So as you can see, this may take minutes. Oh, that was fast. So wow. So it seems this is how it looks like now. Continue with our code. So okay, so it looks pretty familiar for those of us using the old banger or the old Visual Studio. So it doesn't look any much more different from the previous. So we just go ahead and have a look at. It's starting on bucket, so we have nothing. So we go to we click. It's not showing, but on the file. So we've got all this like this control just like the previous. So we've got. I think I'll take it down a bit for you to have a look. So we've got our usual Visual Studio stuff. So you go here, new project. So wait, okay. So this looks very different from what we actually used to. So yeah, so I guess the recent projects will be showing here, and here we could create a console application, and this we can target the Mac OS, Linux, whatever. I mean, I'm not sure about that. So I mean, for the first, we could just try the console application to see. So I click on that, and then you go next here. So as you can see, I'm not okay. So we've got some few tags here. So console app 1, place solution and project in the same directory. I don't know about that, but we just bang on. We just okay. We're just gonna do that and see what will happen. So just wait. I'm just gonna pause it. So as you can see, this is what we've got for the console application, and there's nothing really different from the. Okay, so we still have the .NET Core 2.1. So basically, I'll make the next video so that we actually use the 3.0, because that's the main reason why I'm actually making this series of videos. Just to explore what is new on the 3.0. So there's no point doing any coding because this is pretty much the same, the standard console application for the .NET Core, the .NET framework. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it here, and then the next bit, of course, we will try to explore the 3.0 and have a look at what is new and what not. So I guess I'm gonna end it from this part. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I guess you do so, and probably hit the like button or the dislike button, whatever tickles your fantasy. Hey, catch up later. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.